Okay, now that we are here, we're going to do the breakfast spread. We got our pancakes. If it struggles to focus, it's no different than you. Because today's a special day, we go get our Starlink in a couple minis. We'll see you soon. Just another day in Perth. We are on our way to buy Starlink.
So we are at JB Hi-Fi because we called multiple places and they sold out of Starlinks.
So we thought we'd get a 50% discount and go and get it from JB Hi-Fi. So it's worked out quite well.
So we'll take you guys with us.
Woohoo! We got one!
Let's go! So we've got no idea what we're doing.
Yeah, we're very much just winging it, but it can't be that hard.
We'll unbox it, we'll put it together, and
we'll run you through how it all works once we figure it out ourselves.
That's unstable.
I'm unstable.
Wow.
It's pretty beefy, isn't it? Oh, it's actually a lot lighter than I thought.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's quite light.
So it looks like it comes with modem, power supply and extension lead. That's
Base.
the power supply. Router.
Oh, the router. Yep.
Power supply. That's quite chunky.
Yes.
So the most exciting thing is this package here that took a lot of research and a long time to come from Canada. So it's a rooftop car mount for the Starlink, and it's been custom made by TrioMounts.
Thanks, TrioMounts. Alrighty, let's open up the frame.
We go flat mount. That's the important bit.
Important bit, hey? Ah, DC converter. Alrighty.
Oh, here we go. So this is a DC converter, so that it'll take less power, and we can conserve power. So it's a 12 volt converter, and it also replaces the router and power supply.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
There you go.
So
someone really did their research, and it wasn't this guy. I'm so excited.
And we can play Tetris.
I like Tetris. I'm not very good at it. Alright.
Did it actually come with instructions?
I don't think so. 1, 2. Not like usual, I have no idea what I'm looking at.
On the website.
Okay. Yes, correct. I'm glad one of us can solve puzzles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like it sits inside the frame.
Yes. So we're getting there, we're just putting the little swivel legs on and the magnets and making sure everything's tight so it doesn't fall off the roof while we're driving.
Looks like we are up to adding in dishy.
We're going to slip that little stuff around.
Now, which... Bang, there it goes.
Perfect.
This up in.
No, that goes on top. That goes on
That
top.
explains so much. Well, if anyone ever wanted to do a puzzle with me, they sure as hell don't now.
I'll swap you.
Alright, bring it over.
Yeah.
Oh dear, I can't be trusted with anything. Bang, beautiful.
Just tighten. Nope.
That's what we want.
I'd say that's in.
Beautiful.
So we're gonna...
It just pops out on the side.
I just can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Is that in?
Yep.
Alright, and now we're going to take this to our power supply. We'll
Cool.
plug it in and we'll get it set up.
Let's go.
So we have just plugged in Dishy and the router, doing the router setup, downloading Starlink on our phones, and we've just chucked Dishy out so he can have a clear view of the sky. Whoops. And then we have the app here.
So do you want to run through? Do you want to run through how we set up the app? Because it was a little confusing. So essentially, what we've had to do is we plug everything in.
Yep.
We then actually go to the back of the manual, and in the back of the manual we have.
You set it up like a home-based router.
Yep. So essentially you just jump online onto your normal internet, you log into the IP address which is written down the bottom here. From there, what do we do from there?
We connect it to the Wi-Fi on our phone.
Yep, so we connect to the Wi-Fi. We then take the Starlink and pop it outside on the sun, on the ground.
Clear view of the sky.
Yep. And yeah, now we download the Starlink app.
Starlink app. And now we're going to say clear view of the sky. We have none of these. Continue with kickstand.
Yes. Yep. My Starlink
is plugged in. Open settings.
Connect to that network, I believe.
Connect with the phone.
So it's the same network we connected to from the manual.
Yep. And now what we're going to do... Oh, hold on.
Alright.
So we've got it connected. What I'm going to do is turn off my roaming, and then we're going to jump in and type in, don't look at that.
We'll just enjoy the beach scenery whilst we wait on this one.
I don't know.
And back to troubleshooting we go.
Drop it! Whoops.
Wow. Oh my god. Oops. Oh dearie me. Alright, so that's in right now. Do you want me to come up?
No.
No?
So we've got the 60-pound magnets.
There is a staple on the bottom of that one.
Of course there is.
Yeah, that'll... Yep.
Alright, so we've got the 60-pound magnets on the swivel legs, and I reckon we're going to chuck it right down here. What do you reckon? Off further back?
Yeah. Just watch out, because when it does drop, so
I know.
Go,
yeah?
Yep.
Are the magnets going to sit flat on something?
Yeah, they'll be fine. Yep. Yep, and bang.
What's that?
That's fine. Wow, she's sturdy. So we will hot glue gun the mount piece that we were meant to take off, but
or we'll dismantle it and do it again properly.
yeah. Either way, the hard part is done. Mission success. We have Starlink on the roof. I'm gonna go plug in the power cable. I'll go plug in the power cable and we'll get it running on the roof. Beautiful. All right, we'll see you in a moment when we're running and operational. Yoo-hoo! Okay, so fast forward 3.5 hours, about 100 openings of the Starlink app. I think we should a tier or two. To put in perspective how fucking frustrating the last bit was, which I will attempt to run through to help anyone moving forward to avoid the same bullshit we went through, because yeah, I feel like we both aged about 2 years there. Apart from the stress eating of an entire pack of Sour Straps and an entire pack of Doritos. Check out, oh sorry for my big nose, the 2.4 gigahertz speeds and the 5G speed. That is absolutely astronomical. So we're getting 18 megabytes upload, which is great, all things considered. And 283 megabytes of download. We're finally able to rest. It was actually exhausting.